Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can share your Google Calendar with anyone in just a few steps. So this is very useful, so you can share it with your team or just with anyone you want, or you can even create a share link so you can post it on your Instagram page or website or wherever you want, and anyone will be able to access your Google Calendar and see if you are free or not. So let's begin. You can do this with an already created calendar, or you can create a new calendar. In my case, I'm gonna create a new calendar, but it's the same process if you have a calendar already. So I'm just gonna click here, create a new calendar, and set a name. Okay, so now we have our calendar here. It's ready. This is the one I just created. And here we have these three dots. We're gonna click here, then go to settings and sharing, and scroll down until you see these options right here. So if you want to make it available to the public, you can check this checkbox right here. It will give us a warning saying that it will be visible to anyone, including Google search. So if you want to do it anyways, you can click here and you can configure it if you want people to see all the event details, or if you want them to only see it if you are free or not. So in my case, I don't want to get it available to anyone, so I'm gonna disable it. And here you can get the link. With this link, you will be able to share your calendar with anyone. You can copy it right here and send it to anyone. Whoever clicks this link will be redirected to your calendar and they will be able to see anything. Now the other way to share it with specific people or groups is right here. You can add new people here. You just need their email or name. I'm gonna do test mail, and you can select the permissions you want to give to this person. You can also keep adding more mails if you want, and then set the permissions you want to give to them. You can give them permission to see all your events, see if you're free or not, or you can also give them permissions to change your calendar. Now I'm gonna click send, and this will send them an invitation link, and they just need to click the invitation link so they will get access to your calendar. So that's basically it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.